Welcome back to Dead Space. Alright, that's it. Let's go. What were we doing? I believe... Okay, we were going to go meet the black guy. That's his name. So that we could fix the thingy. Stop the ship from flying up into space and hitting all the rocks. Alright? How was it? That's right. Yeah, see, I remember. What is this? Line racks. Okay. Do I remember? Alright. 1, 2. Okay. I'm gonna put out the pistol for this. Where are we going? This way? What is that? That's nothing. I think right before we left, the girl that we're looking for, our wife, started talking to us in our mic, but like in our headset. Obviously, I'm not thinking that was her. Easy, yes. Let's start from the beginning again. Our guy's over here.
Isaac, come in. Kendra's right. The ADS is completely shut. I'll need your help to fix this. Kendra, if you can hear me, see if you can get into the ship's reports. It sounds like you have better access from there.
When were you going to tell us about the artifact, Hammond? This marker?
I don't know anything about that. It's referenced in the captain's records. They brought it up from the planet.
It's on the ship?
In cargo. They think it's of alien origin, but I don't know what the hell it is.
Really? CEC didn't know anything about it. You're lying.
Back up! I am not the bad guy here. Ross shake you right now. You're gonna have to trust that I don't know anything about it. We've entered the debris field. Get to the captain's nest. I'll explain everything later. Hammond out.
There's no timer, right? I can't deal with timers. She's stirring up trouble, see? That's... I believe him. Can I get in there? Small med pack. Yes, I used it. Alright, reload that. Just gotta make sure. Ooh. I'll shoot that or? You gotta be kidding. Whoa! Nah, one time. Like legit? They did it twice? No way. I'm good on ammo. I know that. I'm always good on ammo. Wait, what? Schematic? Line racks? Whatever. Flame, fuel. I want a med pack. Yes. And I think we're good. I don't like open areas. This place does look cool, though. Oh, we're hitting the rocks and shit. Oh, I forgot about that.
Warning. Hull breach detected.
Alright, yeah.
Isaac, impact on the bridge, right at your feet. I'm reading heavy damage, but containment looks solid. Life support is stabilized. We've got to get the ADS working.
God, I'm over here chilling. Alright, can we go down? Yeah, let's go, hurry up. Make haste. Wait, let me get this. Level 3 suit. Schematic required. Okay. What are these? Escape pods? Oh!
Isaac. Damn, you scared me.
Let's go.
This is making me jumpy. Fucking asteroids coming through the roof. Look, I know Kendra doesn't trust me, but I don't know anything about a marker or anything else. This is supposed to be a repair mission. Plain and simple. This mess is the asteroid defense system. I can fix these boards when the main power routing is shot. You're gonna have to reroute them manually through at least 3 junction boxes to activate the primary cannon. Oh, but first, you need to activate the atrium elevators from bridge security. You can use them to get to the junction boxes. By the way, Isaac, be careful. I saw something out there, I don't know what. I only got a glimpse. It was big. Really big.
You mean that thing that crawled out the wall and tried to drag us away? Yeah, I saw it. We're going back. Let's go. Wait, why can't he come with me? What is he doing? What?
Stand back!
What the hell?
That one was dead when I sealed the pod. These things don't die easily.
I got so turned around there. Alright, they are escape pods, though. I know my ships. Alright. Am I gonna save again? Yeah, why not? Yeah, we are really up in some rocks. Let's go. I think it said go down here. Do we have to go back? Oh, you can't do that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh no, get out of here, dude. I didn't know this was lost out of territory. Wait. Turn around this. Can't come through this, right? Whoa! Bro, what am I supposed to do?
The weapons can't punch through that thing's armor. Shoot it in the back, Isaac.
How am I supposed to get behind it? Yo, pick that up, whatever that is.
Bridge, come in. We've been boarded. Repeat, the ship has been boarded. We are under attack.
We've been boarded. No, that's the thing I picked up. Talking. Okay.
We need security.
No, that
back up
added
here
to.
immediately.
Wait. Bro, is this the right weapon? Oh my god. Get up, Isaac. Run. Run, King. Wait, what? Wait, what? Is it sleeping or something? Don't let up. Okay, it went to sleep for some reason. That's the plague. Alright. Get in a circle. Wait, why is it laying down like that? Oh, that's not... Oh my god! Oh, change the weapon! It's not changing! Ah! Wait! Bro, get that one. Okay. Let's get it. Where's he at? Oh! He's not stopping, man. How? Get him back. Hurry up. Come on, reload. God. That's... Go around this. Whoa, we come through! He's barely hitting me, like barely missing. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, what is this, man? Shoot it. Are you dead? I'm dead, right?
Quarantine lifted.
Oh my god. You drop credits, you don't drop no health or nothing. Holy crap, man. And then this changing weapon thing is just, it's not right. No weapons in this. I mean, ammo. Just through here. This is where we're going. What is that? Oh, it's that. It's the rocks.
Isaac, make us whole again.
Oh, what? Wait, what's this? Ooh, power node. Wait. There were some boxes out here. I miss a lot of things. Wait, that's not a box. Or it is. It's just not something I can stomp on. Grab this. Pulse rounds. Yeah, thanks. Dude, you cannot change your weapon on this. Alright. Wait, what? Elevator control. Activate elevators? Here, shit.
Atrium elevators are now online.
Hey, that was quick. Let's get everything we can. Mine racks. Mine rack. I should have bought that line gun, because they're just handing this stuff to me. What are we doing now? Yeah, the rig. I feel like I want to upgrade my plasma cutter. 4 nodes. Holy crap. Hold on. Stasis is kind of a must. Duration. Sure, why not? Alright, that's 2 on that. Do I want to get to... Oh, I can go across. Why didn't I go across? That's what I should have did. And then the rig. The fact that this is still this is so stupid. Right, whatever. Plasma cutter. Line gun. I want to get my plasma cutter. Capacity. Here, it's fine. And then I can get damage and reload time, so we're good with that. Good upgrades. Anything else in this room? No. All right, we turn the elevators back on. Let's go. Let me remember this. 1 is the pistol. 2 is the pistol. 3 is the pulse rifle. 4 is that. Let's go. Oh, that's the elevator. Meanwhile, the ship is getting destroyed.
This is mutiny. You'll all be tried for mutiny. Kind, make them listen to reason. Settle down, then. Hold him. By Maritime Law, Article 5469, I hereby declare Captain Benjamin Mathias unfit for duty. The marker must be delivered to the church. Terrence, please. I'm sorry, Ben, but I can't let you do this. Traitor. Heretic. Hold his head. Murderer! Hold him.
Oh!
Dead. No, it was an accident. I had to stop him.
Wait, what?
Arrest the doctor.
No, what the? Wait. Did he think he was gonna live from that? For real? So, they got the marker on purpose, but I guess, I don't know, this other group wanted to do something else with it? That's... Oh, that's deep. Poor captain. Didn't I fight the captain? Didn't I kill him? Like, is that the guy? I don't remember anything in his eye. Oh, well. Oh, captain, my captain. Ooh. This game can get really dark, man. Push rounds. We got it. Safe. Grab this. Contact room. Inventory full. But level 3 cinematic. Let's say small. Can I use this? I can use this. Use it, buddy. Oh, think I'm gonna come over here and use it? Yeah. Contact beam. Well, obviously we're going in here first. Don't get up. I'm telling you. I don't want these problems. I'm literally waiting for it. Dude, I need this store. It's all ammo. Everything. It's all ammo. Holy crap. I should have bought that gun.
It looks like some of the gravity plating is malfunctioning. Keep an eye out for any kind of distortion effect coming from the floor. It could be dangerous.
Distortion effect coming from the floor? More line racks. Oh, not those things, man. Okay. We can walk around this then, right? So, like this. Oh, chillax. They shoot stuff. Wait, what? He just crawled up from the thing? What? He's coming around. Might as well meet him. Go ahead, run through here. Oh my god. Come on, man. Okay. Pulse rounds, could always use more, sure. Oh my god, run! I messed up my aim. Wait, where are they? Go ahead, do that, do that. Have to reload? Dude, reload it, man. Can I go through? No. What was that? Stasis? I don't have stasis. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Was it V? Thank you. I heard a noise in here. What's all this? What is that? See? See? What the hell? Oh my god. Bro, wait, can I lead it back to the floor things? Because it can't fit through those. Let's try it. Make that right. You can't come in here. Can't even fit through the door. Wait, can I pick this up and like shoot it at it? Where'd it go? I didn't do anything. Hey, I'll cheat the system. Wait, come back. Come on, I'm right here. Yeah. Oh, you gonna show me your back each time? Yeah. Run back. Going for this big thing. Yeah, we got it. Miss. Whoa! Oh, he's stuck. Oh, I missed. Screen is shaking. Come on, King. Come on. Yeah. Missed it. Oh. Oh, come on with this. Miss. No bullets, man. Alright, going in with this. I feel like that's not doing anything for some reason. Oh! God. Why do I feel like this is not, it's not hurting him? What is going on? Oh, I'm over here. Please, die with this. That's not death? Gotta be kidding me. As many, like, I ran in and out. Oh my god. Die. That ammo, bud? Kill him. That it? Nope. Oh, we got more bullets for this thing? Where'd he go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Oh! Go! I forgot all about it. Yo, you gotta reload. Are you serious? Run around. Hurry up. That free killing. That free shot in. Oh my God, dude, I forgot all about Station. And I just upgraded it too. Let's... Look at my health. First aid kit would be nice. Can I not die to that? No? Wait, do I slow this down? Wait, what? I'll take it, yeah. Wait. Where do I go? Wait, nah, I don't trust that. Hurry up. Wait, what? Oh, it's right here. Hurry up. Use it.
Power transfer to the ADS.
Ship systems, junction box rerouted. I'm making some progress with the tracking grid. One of the cannons is giving me a hard time. Keep moving.
Moving where, man? Dude, hate that thing. Just heading back. Tell you what, man. If those are hard, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this tentacle monster. It's coming. I don't have time to do. Ooh, what the? It's gonna kill me. Oh my God! No, hurry! Please let me inside somewhere, man. Health. Thank you. This is not going. Holy crap, saved. Oh my God. Ooh. Somebody's whispering. What was it taking forever for? What? Run. Start running. Just start running. Just start running. It's okay. Oh, no. Move faster. Cardio. Come on now. Pathetic. Pathetic. Oh, what the? Oh my God, wait. Hit him off. Yeah. You didn't even get a hit off, did you? Are there more? Because the music is still popping off. Let's leave. Just heading on back to Isaac. Or, no, I'm Isaac. What is this guy's name? Yo, I did it. No help to you. Thanks. What the hell? What? Are you kidding? Wait, what? Wait, what? What in the world? What is this? Where am I going? Oh my. And what is this? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, it's another adventure, man. Let me save. All right. Wait, there's something on the ground. Some stuff. Gimme. There's a health med pack. Something else. Wait, what? What? Wait, what is? What are you supposed to do? What level am I on? Wait, let me look at J right quick. Reroute, ADS power, junction. I can hack into them, restrict power, the Hammond can start it up. What level? Am I supposed to go on? Which one? Holy crap. I'm on level 2. Okay. Didn't I just go down? Let's try level 3. You're kidding, man. You're kidding. That's a guy. Barely. But he's running. Yeah, alright. Wait on that, homie. Some of these up.
This is Temple. The bridge is fucked.
Oh,
I don't
Temple.
know what went on in there, but I'm not sticking around in case whatever did it comes back. I'm heading for hydroponics to find Elizabeth.
I don't know, man. Kidding. You're kidding. And then all the freaking small things are gonna pop out of his body. Hurry up! Oh, it's gotta reload. Run into the next room. Let him line up. Stop. What the hell is this? Wait, what? Oh, switch the weapon. Oh my god. Wait. Force gun? Oh, now let me save. Alright. Easy enough. Hope I never run out of ammo. What is this?
Power
Yeah.
transferred to the ADS.
Oh, okay, so this is the second one we did.
Okay. Primary oscillation power has been rerouted. Look, I don't know about you, but I think I'm seeing things. My head's pounding still. I don't know. Just stay sharp, okay?
Bro, please. Don't go. What the hell is that, man? That's not rocks, bro. You're not gonna tell me that's rocks. That's not space rocks hitting the ship. It's not. It's not. You can't tell me that. That's something pounding around, man. Bodies. This one? Please.
Isaac, listen up. I've gone over the MedSci reports. These things are biorecombinators. They take dead tissue, absorb it, and mold it into new forms. One iteration seems to have the sole purpose of infecting corpses.
The fly one?
The others,
the flying one?
well, seem to be making corpses to infect. And that body tissue we keep seeing on the walls is part of it too. I found a report that says it's a habitat changer.
Making the ship its home. This is where I'm supposed to go. After this one, back to the second floor. Alright. Just want to make sure. Don't do anything stupid. Alright, now I'm on a time limit. Wait, I want to go in this room though. Do I have enough time? Oh, cool. That's perfect. That's perfect. Kinesis module. I need hit points though. We're gonna do this. We are. We're not. We're not gonna do that. No, we're not. No, it wasn't that one either. This one. Because no adjacent node. Are you serious? You have to go all the way this way? You're trolling. I didn't know they puzzled it out. Look, dude, this is like this and this, 2 nodes without anything happening. Such a waste. It's like you have to invest all your nodes into one thing. Yeah, I know. Let's get out of here. Whoa. Alright, get off my homie. You already know how this goes. Wait a minute. You're awful. Come over this way. I got something for you. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Get out. No. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Come on now. Come on now. You know what this is. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on, kid. No, one of y'all got a health pack. Wasn't much. Why this whole room for that? Let's just go around for a health pack. I'm sorry. Wait, what's in this room? You guys can read this, but I'm not doing it, man. What is in here? Power node. This is why you look around in games, okay? There's one power node. Alright, bet. Just found one, might as well. Almost like I never had it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Don't worry about it. I just need help. I just need help. What is this? Gold semiconductor? I'm picking that up. I'll find out what I'm getting rid of. What is this? Contact beam schematic. I'm getting all these. Oh wait, I need to use some health. Matter of fact, I don't even know why I'm debating things. They need to get me to a store. Hello? What is that noise? What is that noise? Let's go over here. Safe. What is that? Man? Wait, what the f... Wait. What is this? Health pack? It's okay. It's okay. I got health. This thing right here in front of me, duh.
Asteroid defense system now online.
Thank goodness.
All right. We've got enough power, but the ADS cannon's auto-targeting is down. I think it's a faulty data cable. I need you to aim the cannon manually until I can replace it. Take the elevator to the top of the ship and head for the cannon pit.
Alright. I know how to do that, because... I don't think I'm gonna fight this. I think I can run. I think I can get out of here. Hurry up. Come on. I can't fit through that. Come on. Oh my god.
Asteroid defense system
Now online. Right.
Alright, we've got enough power, but the ADS cannon's auto-targeting is down. I think it's a
Oh, it's a flying thing.
I need you to aim the cannon manually until I can replace it. Take the elevator to
Doesn't
the top
matter.
of the ship
Keep
and
going.
head for the cannon pit.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Hurry up. Come on. Doesn't matter.
entering vacuum.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No need to waste anything on it, right?
Exiting vacuum.
What is that? Cardio, run around the room. The door's open, go. No, it closed. Are you kidding me? Alright, take it to the top of the ship. This one. Alright. Come on, man. This is it, right? Yes, sir. Let's go. Alright. We're gonna shoot some space guns. I like the sound of it. This is open. What is that? What is this? Take all of it. Sure, why not? What is this, man? There's whispering going on in my helmet. Oh boy. This is the hallway to our gun.
You're going to have to cross the ship exterior to reach the ADS cannon. Problem is,
We're still getting bombarded by asteroids. Look for cover, or you get torn to pieces.
Are you serious, man? Is this medium air can? Oh my god. Wait. What can I drop for right now? I can't drop anything. Wait, I can drop this. I don't want to drop that though. Oh, I'm just selling these? Oh, drop. What? Drop that. Drop that. I can pick these up on the way back. Right now, though. That's what we doing. Gravity, yeah. 0 gravity. Okay, here we go.
Entering vacuum. Entering 0 gravity. Warning. Multiple impacts detected across the starboard hull.
What? Oh, I gotta stay behind the walls? Is that it?
Entering vacuum. Entering 0 gravity.
Okay, we're not gonna do that to me.
Warning. Multiple impacts detected across the starboard hull.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Is that safe? Let's go. Go. That was probably stupid. Yeah, that was... Okay.
Entering 0 gravity. Warning. Multiple impacts detected across the starboard hull.
Oh! Oh! He's just sitting there. He was there last time. I can make it to the second one. Can't make it to the third one though. Okay, how long is this gonna last? Thanks. Come on. Can I do that air jump thing? I forget what button it is. I don't have time to figure it out though. I don't know. I don't need to get messed up out here. Oh my god, please make it. Please make it. No!
0 gravity.
I'm just impatient, that's all.
Warning. Multiple impacts detected across the starboard hull.
It's okay, we don't need to worry about him. He's not doing nothing. He won't even follow. I think. There he comes. Does he get blasted? You should get hit by stuff if I'm getting hit and stuff. Like, come on. I get it. Come on. I don't think I can make it to that one. I can. Hurry. Come on. It's fine. Don't walk out. Don't walk out. Don't walk out. Let's go. My guy is choking. I got 30 seconds. Shut up. We're all counting down real hard. Let's go. Keep going. We're good.
Exiting 0 gravity. Exiting vacuum.
Woo! Ruby semiconductor. Wait, what? Didn't I drop 2 things? Dude, what is this, man? Line gun, pulse gun. I'm about to drop something for this. I want it. And this will be what I drop. Save. Again. What is this? Oh no.
That's it, Isaac.
You're in the pit.
You're kidding.
Cannon's a mass driver, so it should punch through anything flying at us. Keep an eye on the hull's integrity. Too many of those things get by, and we're dead. I think I've almost got the system repaired. Just buy me a little more time.
Oh, you looking at a Gallagher Master. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hey. Oh, whoa. Come on now. Stop. Oh. Yeah. Come on. I feel like I got it. I didn't get it. Come on. Hey. I got it. Dude, you can't turn that far.
And it should be fully operational.
I missed it. Can't go backward. Yeah, I'm concentrating right now. Concentrating. Oh, yeah.
I've almost got this thing fixed.
Hurry up, man.
A little bit longer.
Sorry, can it just rapid fire? I don't know why I'm picking my shots. Trying to save ammo or something. Ooh, get out of here.
Automated tracking system enabled.
Nice shooting, Isaac. Auto targeting is now online and clearing a path to safe orbit.
Holy
As soon as we're
crap.
clear, I'll engage the autopilot again. Head to the tram station, and I'll meet you there when I'm done.
Alright, we'll head back to the train station. Meet up with our friend here. And after that, well, I don't know. No, I'm not doing it, man. I'm not wasting my air just to fight y'all. Sorry. I just better do some cardio or something. She running like this for? That's. I keep thinking you can jump if you press spacebar. It's not. How many is behind me? Yeah, you can run backwards. I figured that out while I was fighting the big thing. Okay.
Exiting zero gravity. Exiting vacuum.
Yeah, man, forget all this stuff.
Wait! Isaac Hammond. You're not gonna believe this. Oxygen levels are falling. Something's poisoning hydroponics air production, and whatever it is, it's filling the deck up with that organic stuff. We're not going to have any air to breathe soon. But if I understand these lab reports correctly, I think I can make a poison to destroy it. Head to medical. It should have everything you need.
Will this never end? Isaac, get to medical and mix together whatever Kendra's come up with. I'm heading to hydroponics. If I can slow it down, that might keep us breathing long enough to fight it.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. You can give me a store though, so I can get rid of these schematics. Great. What is that noise? What is that noise? What the hell is that? What the? What? What is this? Are you serious? Whoa, what is that? I hear more. What the f... Yeah. Wait. What the f... Yo. What? Stop pressing that. Whoa. Dude, don't do that. Are you kidding? Oh man, I felt like, ugh. I don't even know. I felt, I don't know, man. Head to medical. Way too much is going on. Now we're being poisoned by God knows what. What is this? I'm not doing another boss fight, man. I'm not doing it here. The store. Download everything. Flamethrower, force gun, ripper, contact beam, level 3 suit. Oh wait, I can sell stuff, right? Inventory. Sell that. Oh yeah! You know we getting that level 3. Come out and drip. I feel better, right? I don't see a difference, but well, maybe I do. Hold on. Got drip. What's this force gun? Short range connect booster device. Hydronized industrial sports. Industrial saw. I don't do close range, man. I might have to do this. I'm not really down with the flamethrower. It's not really my forte. Just buy a stasis pack? Not doing that. I'll get some stasis stuff. Medium. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, we got it now. Alright, let's do the inventory. Got more space. Like it. Love it. Fill up that stasis. Medium air can, medium med pack. Use that. And then let's buy another one for the road. Small med pack, sure. Why not? Okay. Alright, who's messing with me? Nah, wait. One for the pistol. What is that? Oh, I'm sorry. Come on now. That's way better than my flamethrower. Look up. Oh, I'm shooting limbs. She's shooting limbs. Get out of here. No save point? I'm going back this way? It's another chapter? Oh. Okay. Well, we weren't supposed to get this far. But, so I'm going to end it as soon as we get to the next part. Oh, wait. Maybe I can end it here. I'm saving. Yeah. That sounds like a good idea. See ya.